back to my channel, and we're gonna switch it up today. I know you guys are used to me doing reviews and unboxings and makeup videos, but I have a secret addiction, which is pop vinyls. So I got my hands on this Funko, I guess it's just a mystery box from Gamestop, and I wanted to open it with you guys because you guys are like my family, and I'm super excited. I have like over 100 pop vinyls, and I just started collecting them not too long ago. I have a problem, I know, but I want to see what's going to be inside the box. So this is, it retailed for $20. It's supposed to be some. This is my first time getting one of these boxes, so I'm not sure what to expect from them. But I know that there's going to be at least one pop vinyl in here. And there's a 1 in 5 chance that you'll get a chase or limited edition one. So hopefully this is the 1 in 5 chance box. And I get lucky. So let's open it up. I've already taken the cellophane wrap. Oh, okay. So let's open up the small stuff first. So the first thing is, I guess a badge. So I got a Predator themed box. So it's like a lanyard with the Predator on there. Can you guys see that? I'm not like a huge Predator fan like I have, you know, I know about them. Okay, the next thing I see, oh, okay, so then there's a pair of socks in here. Let's open these socks up and see what they're talking about. I probably never wear these socks. Are they Batman socks? Oh, okay. So there's a pair of Batman tube socks in here also. And then they got the Batman on the foot. Maybe I will wear these. Okay. Then the last thing in the box is this Predator 8-bit pop vinyl, which is actually pretty cool. I'm mad that I didn't get a chase one, but this one's cool. I don't own this one, so I'm excited. This is pretty cool. I might have to like get these boxes a little more for 20 bucks. That's not too bad. Pop vinyls range from like, I've gotten some for like $1 if you find them on clearance to maybe $15 if you find them in the store. And if you try to buy like rare ones online, they can get up to the thousands I've seen. So 20 bucks isn't bad for this box. I'm excited. I just wanted to open it with you guys so we could experience it together. I want to do a lot more than just makeup on my channel, more lifestyle stuff. I'm thinking about re-getting the Pop in the Box subscription box where you get a pop vinyl every month for, I think it's $15 a month, plus you get like VIP stuff. I was subscribed and it got to the point where I was getting that plus all the other ones that I purchased like every week or so. But I'm thinking about resubscribing to it because I just love getting subscription boxes in the mail. But if you guys like these lifestyle unboxings or any other subscription that you guys want me to try out, just link it down below. Comment down below. Let me know what you guys want me to unbox. Make sure you guys hit the subscribe button. And I'll see you guys in my next video. $1. $144 value. You can't beat Boxycharm. I freaking love it.